In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite washi tape. So it might come as a surprise to some people. I actually don't have that much washi tape. I have one Recollections drawers, which has 3 of these in like the set, filled with washi. And then I also have a couple of other, like a random box with some washi as well, but I actually don't really have that much. So the way I've organized it is I have it in these drawers that have a divider. I really wanted the divider in them. There's other drawers available, but these ones were the only ones I could find with the divider, and it just keeps everything neat and organized. As you can see, nothing's rolling around and merging together like it was in the low height storage box that I was using previously. And I can keep everything organized. So I've got all of my Happy Planner skinny washi. I have all the ones from Carefully Crafted. I just have it all together, clustered and organized, which is really good. So I will show you this drawer and then I'll show you the other ones as well. So from the beginning, I'll just go through the brands. If you're interested in them, I'll have the links down below. I'll also have the link to the drawers that I'm using as well if you wanted to get some. So I have these ones from Carefully Crafted, which are the 3mm, really nice skinny ones. And then we go up to the 5mm, and then there's this other random pack in between. So I really like solid washi tape, and thankfully there's finally more different varieties becoming available now. The solid ones can be used with anything, like they pair well with other pattern washi tape. I paired them with colors of a planner that, like the colors already on the page, and ones like the plum paper, which are all color heavy. You can put these two together. So for example, the skinny green, and then it comes with the wider one, so the 3 and the 5mm, and they're the same color tone, and you can mix and match like purple and blue and all the different color combinations. So I'm finding that I'm going more towards just solid color washi now. I think it just gives more options. So if you don't have a lot of space to store washi tape, I would stock up on some of these ones. You can also get plenty in the wider, like a 7mm, and then also the 15mm, which is this style here, which is more the traditional, original, I guess, washi tape size. So there's plenty of them available. I would recommend those to start with. Then I also have some from the Paper Studio, which I think is a Hobby Lobby American brand. And then all of this is all Happy Planner up to here. And they have these really nice packs, which are so popular. They always seem to be forever sold out. Got the black pack, the pink, the blue. I also have the purple stored elsewhere. I'm getting another set of these Recollections drawers because I do need just one more. So I only have 2 sets, so 6 drawers. It's not a lot of washi tape. If anyone wants to comment and judge, it don't have a lot. Then here we have this other one from my sister's shop again, which has some little minor patterns printed on it. I do have swatches that I've done of most of these washi tapes, so I will have a blog post and I'll have this all included down below. We can see there's like some foil on it. And again, lots of different variety, like all the different pinks, really good for mix and matching. You could do a solid with a pattern. These ones are the Illustrated Faith solid washi, and then the first solid washi that I ever got, and I really like them. But unfortunately they're not available anymore. The colors of these I think are a bit more dull versus these newer ones which are now available, and I do prefer the brighter ones, but something more subtle. Illustrated Faith, if you ever find it again. This one was actually in a random box of washi from Aldi of all places, the most random place to find it, on one of their special buys. And there are some other ones in that set, but I've stored them elsewhere because I try and keep things, to me it's organized. It's probably not sounding very logical when I'm explaining it, but I know where everything is and it just works for me. This one is just a random one in here because I ran out of space in one of the other drawers. That is it a Doodlebug? No, I think that's just a generic Chinese brand one. I do have lots of Doodlebug later on though. This one, trying to think, I think it was Park Lane Papery, and this one's nice rainbow as well. This one's good for habit tracking, so you can have all different colors for the days of the week. Some glitter washi tape. I have a whole nother collection of glitter washi, which I'll try and show you later in the video. Then we have these random Chinese ones. These ones are good for checklists. Unfortunately only in grey, and I'm not really a fan of the grey. I kind of wish it just came in black or different rainbow colors would be good. All of these are more Happy Planner, and these are more like my assorted patterns. They're not the ones that come in the color collections. So quite like those. Love this rainbow confetti. That's the green Happy Planner, and this one is from Michael's, I think it's Recollections, like a Christmas theme one. So I really liked the foil and that it was blue, because it's really hard to find washi tape that's Christmas washi that's not just red and green. Like I do like red and green, but sometimes some other colors are good as well. I just have the drawers in front of me. I'm just going to get them out as I go. So my next one here is more of my functional washi tape drawer at the front here. So that's just a random Chinese brand one, which is good for habit tracking and doing annual dates at a glance calendars, because you can just peel it off and then write whatever month on the above the washi tape. These ones are Sunshine Sticker Co. Absolutely obsessed with these. I use these all the time. Really good functional washi. There are other colors as well, but I didn't really like the other ones that she had on offer. I really like bright colors, so these was the best ones that she had, and obviously the black is a no-brainer, works well with anything. So we've got the 5mm, if I can get them out, and then also the 7mm, and then just got the days of the week on it. The font's really easy to read, really nice clear printing. So I actually got these ones after the Ink by Jeng. So I found Ink by Jeng first, and that is this one here. And unfortunately, I don't know what happened with Ink by Jeng, but she seems to have just disappeared. Her website, like everything, is forever sold out. She won't respond to my sister's request to restock, because Joanna, Carefully Crafted, my sister, had it in her shop and she just does not respond. I think she's just shut down, doesn't want to do it anymore. So that's when I went and found Sunshine Sticker Co. And she has these ones too. And also Checklist. And then if you want to do habit tracking, some number ones, or like just monthly list, because I don't do a traditional box monthly calendar spread. I prefer to do a list format. You can also go like horizontal across the page for habit tracking. So just love all this Sunshine Sticker. That's some random Chinese ones, and these are the rest of the Ink by Jeng collection. You can get vertical monthly, and then also like days of the week if you're doing habit tracking as well, if that wants to focus. Doesn't want to, but anyway, functional. This was a random one that my sister found, that's Chinese brand. Most of these, like all of these ones, are Chinese brand. All of them. That one, I think it's We Are Memory Keepers, and it's another days of the week functional washi, if you are looking for one with a bit of color that's wider. So there aren't too many 15mm days of the week washi. That's one of the few that I found. I do have some blog posts with more recommendations for washi tape that I don't personally have, but which you could get if you really want some more functional, more variety. I'll have that link down below if you want to have a look. This one is Recollections. It's the similar of that blue, like Christmas theme one. It's just their red theme. That's the rest of that Aldi pack, that random one I was telling you about. That's more Asian, like Chinese washi. And then we have some gold and foil ones, which I haven't even had a chance to open yet. I was going to use them for a Christmas theme spread, and then I never got around to doing it. So that will be maybe this year. Now we have the rainbow drawer. So this looks so good with these drawers being clear and see-through on my desk. You can just see like all the nice colors. Looks really good. So I have a bit of an obsession with chevrons. If you've ever seen my printables, they're all chevron themed. Absolutely love chevron. I do have a lot more chevrons. I've just picked out my favorites and I've got them in these drawers, because these drawers live on my desk, and all my other washi is kind of just randomly on shelves wherever it will fit. But I want all of these within easy reach because they're the ones that I use the most often. And also some polka dots. All of these and these ones at the back here are Doodlebug. Absolutely love Doodlebug. So they never used to have that really skinny 3mm, 5mm, these ones at the front. They've only come out quite recently. It was really hard to find ones that were skinny, so that's why I went to a Doodlebug. The quality of this is really good. There's never any issue with like the washi fraying on the edges. It all cuts cleanly. It's really good sticky washi. I've peeled it off and restuck it multiple times. So it is a bit more expensive than some of the Chinese ones, but I really think it's worth the investment. And the rolls are so thick. If I show you, there's so much washi on these rolls. They last ages. And then we have some more Chinese washi and some more foil and gold and glitter. They're from Carefully Crafted. So that's all those ones. And now we get to the less organized part of my collection. So I recently got these Paper Studio ones, this nice solid set as well with the different sizes. And I've also gotten into the Paper Studio. So I've recently got these ones, glitter, and then also some solid foil. And they're the thin, nice 3mm. Look at all the sparkle on that. It's really hard to find glitter washi tape that doesn't leave marks everywhere, which I'll show you in a sec. So these ones, for example, this is the box that I was originally using to store my washi in, that I was talking about earlier, and how it would just roll everywhere because it wasn't like divided things. Like as soon as I lifted it up, it would just be a mess, and it just was not working. So this is another set from the Paper Studio, and like absolutely love this color. Look how pretty that is. Unfortunately though, with this glitter washi, or maybe it's just this brand, it just wants to unravel. And so I don't really know how to store it other than just leaving it in a box here. And then also you can see all the like glitter flecks are coming off. So this is kind of just my dumping ground for my messy washi. I have this other random container, which is clear at least, with a bunch of just like random solid sort of extra washi that I don't really, to be honest, use very often anymore. I liked originally to use this solid washi, this wider ones, as tabs in my bullet journal, and I do occasionally still do that. So on the edge of a page, I'll have it like folded half over. So on the front and the back side of the page, you'll see the color, and then it's a really good way to color code your notebook. Plus the solid washi tape in these large ones, they're pretty cheap because it doesn't really take much. They don't have to print like a pattern or anything on them, so you can usually get them pretty cheaply. We have some more glitter washi, wider ones. They came in this box, Chinese brand that my sister found, carefully crafted. I keep it in its little box just because it's organized. Have this really pretty Christmas washi set which came in this box. Again, carefully crafted, that my sister got. I know I said I don't really like the traditional red and green earlier, with the exception of these, because look how nice they are. We've got some stripes, all these cute little characters. Really love this set. Also have some other random 5mm washi. Here's another set as well. The thing with the foil washi to look out for, as you can see that green here, it's absolutely shocking. I don't think I've ever used it because half the color flaked off. Maybe because it had to come a long way from America to Australia and it got knocked around a lot in transit maybe, but all the coloring has come off. So if you're going to get some foil washi, just invest in good quality stuff, because otherwise you won't want to use it anyway. Like this one, it kind of ends up just being a waste. So there is a difference between the cheap brands and the more expensive ones with the foiling, and just don't cheapskate it. This one, I just got this set here, which is Recollections, and it's more solid washi. Really like the colors. Have not even got it out of its packaging yet because I don't have anywhere to store it just yet. So that is like the highlights of my washi collection. This drawer makes me so happy. I absolutely love this drawer. So many nice skinny washi. So if you're not sure what washi tape to get next, get skinny washi. Any of these, I use these all the time. Absolutely love them. So I hope you found this video and some of my recommendations helpful. I have some blog posts linked down below that I've done on different washi tapes and ones that I recommend, and I'll try and list out all of the brands that I've mentioned in this video as well if you wanted to go have a look. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and also subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to see any of my other recommendations, because I do want to start doing ones like my favorite functional sticker books. I'm thinking will be the next one. So anyway, just comment below and I'll see what I can do. See you in the next video.